To measure your pipetting accuracy with a P10, you need to use an analytical balance that has one more decimal place. You can see on the P10 I can dial up something like 2.8 microliters. Must use the smallest pipette tip. The small pipette tips have an internal calibration. There's a line right here that is 2 microliters. So I can tell that I have pipetted something a little bit more than 2 microliters because it's past this line, and that's a good sign. So check that whenever you're pipetting a small volume, check against the 2 microliter calibration standard. When you're pipetting very small volumes, you need to take precautions to deliver the volume. If I just pipette into the air, it's difficult to know where it will end up. So in this case, I will touch the pipette tip to the glass, expel the 2.8 microliters, it looks like the scale says I actually delivered 3.0 microliters. So I can try that again, practicing to get accurate pipetting. With small volumes, it takes skill and practice. People generally do well pipetting large volumes. This is about a milliliter in a vessel called a cuvette. It's when you're pipetting very small volumes that people do poorly. So when you're using the P10, pipetting less than 10 microliters, you really need to be sure that you're delivering what you measured in the pipette tip. So my recommendation is you put it at eye level, you watch, you put the pipette tip in the liquid, don't pipette into the air, and then you push and you can see the delivery of the liquid. I know that it got in that solution. I watched it go in. So make sure you're following good pipetting practices. Your results will be much better when you do so.